Okay, in this little tip we're going to show you how to deal with a larger screen size. Basically the issue is we need to record at perhaps full screen, but then we want to produce that at a smaller size, and that presents a bit of a problem with Captivate. Here's how it's done. Okay, so good morning. Here we are. I'm going to show you a little bit about how to capture a larger window, then use a zoom area to focus on quadrants of the screen. So what I did was initially captured, let me go into edit mode here. I initially captured my Firefox browser. I captured that at 1024 by 768. Then from inside Captivate, I went into Project and I said Rescale. So I took that 1024 by 768, I scaled it down to 640 by 480. So now I have a disparity in size. And that's fine. That was actually my goal. What I wanted to do was to take that initial screen, I only captured one screen, and I shrunk it with Captivate. May not give me the best results, but it gives me a starting point. What I did after that was then in 640 by 480 is what I scaled this to. I then captured other screens, focusing on the upper right area of the screen. So then I use a zoom area, which I placed in this area, to actually zoom up to show me this area here. So let's do a preview real quick, and I'll show you how this works. So preview project, it's generating slides, and here it comes. So for a few seconds we see the smaller screen, then a highlight box, and then I use the zoom area to magnify that out, and then from here forward we see a little bit of information. I just type something into the search area. So I'm going to close the preview here. So as you see, what we did was on slide 1, let me show you the timeline here. Okay, so on timeline, 3 seconds goes by, then I've got a highlight box where my zoom area will appear. And in the zoom area, let's show how that works here. That's all that's on this slide. Now we can see that the main zoom area, which I'm going to drag over here. Zoom area, when you insert it, consists of two components. One is the zoom area, the other is called the zoom destination. So it starts in one location, ends up with another. Typically, if you don't do anything else, it's just going to magnify the area of the screen you're on. However, what a lot of people miss is that when you double-click the zoom destination, you have the ability to select an image. And that's what I did here. And the image that I used was the background image for the next slide here, for slide 3. So when I did select image, I used background 2. So I cancel that, and I cancel here. And then, of course, I want to place the initial spot where I want to magnify, and then I want to bring that up to basically full screen. Maximize that. And then when you see it on your timeline, that's what it is here. Now, to insert a zoom, we do this from the Insert menu, Insert, Standard Objects, over and down. There's Zoom Area. We see there's a magnifying glass, and then over here on your Object Toolbar is another magnifying glass. So there you have it. That's how you use a zoom area to magnify and place focus on quadrants of the screen. Hopefully that helps, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.